All right, Bitcoin has gone from 16,000 all the way up to over 21,000. Where's it headed next? Well, let's go into the charts and check it out. All right, so we have Bitcoin here. As you can see, just a week or two ago, we were down in the 16,000s. Boom, parabolic move up, going all the way up to about 21,500. Crazy pump here. This is like almost 30% in just a few days. So we've started to go sideways here, forming what could be a potential bear flag here. And we'll see if this can break out. There is the potential that we may come down and retest this huge level of support, previous resistance here at 19,000. See if we can confirm that as support now and continue this move up. So we may see that first, but there's also the possibility we could just break out of this bear flag and continue this pump. And if we do break out of this bear flag, it'd give us a price target up around 25,000 if you measure it from the very start of this pump, which lines up nice confluence here with the top of this ribbon and our next level of expected resistance here. So that price target lines up nicely. However, we could come down for a retest of this $19,000 level too, like I said. So we'll have to see which way this breaks out here in the short term. And then also, if you look at the weekly ribbon, it flipped bearish back here. We've been under it. We've finally moved back into the ribbon, which is a great sign. And generally, when we hit the ribbon and start moving into it, we will see this price just shoot up to the top of the ribbon within a week. Like if we go back in time here to the last bear market, as soon as we move back into the ribbon within 1 week, we just pumped straight to the top of the ribbon. So maybe we're going to see that. Maybe this week we're going to pump all the way up to 25,000, which would line up with this bull flag breaking out as well. So this could be another huge week for Bitcoin. And then if we look at the daily ribbon is flipping bullish again. And we have had a few fake outs where it started to flip bullish and then we quickly dumped back down. We saw that here and we saw that earlier back in like March or April. But this one does not look like a fake out. We are actually way above this ribbon. So we would need a massive dump to flip this back bearish. So it looks like we could have a confirmed daily ribbon flip. And generally, whenever we see the daily ribbon flip back bullish, it leads to a massive bullish reversal. So maybe that's what we're going to see here. A lot of things pointing to that. We also have this bullish divergence on the weekly I've been talking about, where we had this lower low on the price, higher low on the RSI. And it looks like we're seeing that reversal start to break out now. So we could just see a massive reversal here over the next few months. And yeah, maybe this bear market's over. I do think that we did see the bottom back here in November, 15,400. And I think we are now starting our 3 years of bull market. That's what it's looking like. A lot of things pointing to that. So yeah, we'll see what happens this month, next month. It's looking pretty good right now. Also, on the monthly, if we look here on the monthly, we have, what's going on here? I moved over. Okay, so if we look on the monthly, we have a potential morning star pattern here, and this is a huge reversal pattern. So if we get this, if this monthly candle closes up here where it is now, we'll have this morning star, and that could lead to a massive reversal on the monthly. So that'd be huge. So yeah, there's a ton of things pointing to this. We have that morning star. We have this bullish divergence on the weekly. We're entering the EMA ribbon. We have the daily EMA ribbon flipping bullish. There's just so many things pointing to a reversal this year. And yeah, we also have this bear flag on the 4 hour, which could continue this breakout. However, in the short term, there is a few bearish things. Like we also have a bearish divergence on the 4 hour where we have a higher high in the price, lower high in the RSI. So like I said, we may come back down and retest this $19,000 level first before we continue this uptrend. but there's also the possibility we could just break up out of this bull flag and continue the pump as well. So we'll keep an eye on this and see what happens here in the next few days. Could see a huge pump, could see a little retracement. We'll see what happens, but thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all later.